Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to block someone on Instagram. So first things first, you have to open your Instagram and then this time you have to go to your profile or tap on the search icon right here. So the first thing to do to block someone on Instagram is to search for their profile. So you can go to the search icon and then search that person's profile or go to that person's profile. You can go to accounts right here or people. And then what you're going to do is you have to tap this three dots at the top right corner and select block. Instagram may offer two options, block username and other accounts they may have or create, or just block. So choosing the first ensures they and any future accounts they create or block. And then you have to simply read the following and just confirm by tapping block again. Another way is from settings. So basically, you can go to your profile right here, or tap this profile at the bottom right. Tap this three lines at the top right corner. And then you have to go to who can see your content. You will see here block option. So you have to tap on the block option right here. And in order for you to add someone or add profile to block, all you need to do is to simply look for the add option. So let me tap on block, click this plus icon, and then search for that person's profile again. And then same thing, just tap on the block button. So once you found the profile, just click on the block option. Now, the third method here to block someone here on Instagram is through DMs or comments. So basically, you can go back to your profile and then go to your Instagram Messenger. Now, look for that specific conversation from someone right here. And then it's the same thing. Just click, tap on their profile, and you have to simply look for the three dots and then tap on block. So these are the ways on how to block someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.